angel wings in the sky tonight. I'm sitting on a rock and watching heron fly, feet in the water, alpha wave. It has been such a beautiful day, a beautiful day, a beautiful day. I'm waiting for the stars to show. I'm waiting for the fire to glow. Feet in the water, alpha asleep.